guys, nasa detailed subdivision po tayo na going to yung construction ng ating mga units. So meron po itong swimming pool and also fitness gym. So meron din itong guard 24/7. So mapapanatili natin yung seguridad, no, ng ating mga pamilya. So this is your house, guys. So that's your carport and this is your entry point going to your living and dining area. But before we go in, I just want to show you your pocket garden, or meron tayong garden dyan sa may gilid. Alright. Okay, so you still have an extra space for this area. So kung gusto mong maglagay ng coffee table, no, pwede tayong maglagay dyan. So upon entry, guys, you will be welcomed by your living and dining area. And of course, that's your kitchen. So yung cabinetries, guys, part na ng turnover yan. Alright, so meron din tayong entry and exit point going to this area. So yan. Okay, so naka-music tayo. So mga gumagawa kasi ngayon. So this is your toilet and bath sa may ground floor. And you have here your small room sa may ground floor. So kasama na ito sa turnover yung mga cabinets and also meron din extra space. Yan. So mga gumagawa lang sa taas. So check natin yung second floor. Let's go. So this is fully finished, guys. Ibig sabihin na may tiles, fully painted, may partition na yung mga rooms, mga pan-turnover. So ganito na rin yung itsura ng ating staircase and also our railings. And meron tayong high ceiling na area. So yung sa may stairs banda. Okay. Isang tingin pa. Yan. Alright. So at this area, you have here your bedroom 1. Yan. Okay. And you have here your bedroom 2. Tapos, this is your master's bedroom. Okay, so meron tayo ditong extra space, no? This will serve as your possible yung walk-in closet mo, or mini walk-in closet. And you have here your balcony na napaka-spacious. Alright, so yung toilet, yung master's bedroom natin, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath, of course. Ayan. And another toilet and bath sa my second floor na napaka-spacious. Alright, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or call me through the numbers provided. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant, helping you find your home.